today we are going to eat Chaku. Chaku is 100% Nepali, and today we are going to visit a factory in Tokha. So let's go. We are very, very excited. We wake up super early, 6 a.m. just to go to this factory. We are struggling. Chaku hunt. Follow the smell. Smells super good. Chaku is 100% Nepali. A sweet delicacy. I don't know how we can qualify that. It's not a candy, it's not a chocolate. It's unique.
Different kind of candy.
It's Nepali. Yeah. And it smells so good. And it's funny because all the area smells Chaku. Tokha in Newari, Tokha means sugarcane field. This is a Chaku factory over there. Oh my god, incredible. You can smell the Chaku. The factory.
There is not enough sugarcane in Nepal, I think. I mean, I don't know, because in the Tarai area there is a sugarcane, a lot of sugarcane.
Yeah, I think they do Chaku, no?
Maybe. No, they produce the sugar in Tarai. There is a lot of sugar factory. I think back in the days there was a lot of empty land. They use by themselves here. They grow by themselves the sugarcane.
Sugarcane field. It's still 100% Nepali sweet delicacy. And we are going to buy whatever happens. Look at all this packaging.
Yeah. So that's how they boil first.
It's very hot here.
They boil first.
So it's
the
looks
juice,
like chocolate.
The juice of sugarcane. They make juice and they put in that pot and they boil it. It's not only finished. You have to compensate the output of this thing also. It's sticky, yeah?
Oh. Yes.
Sticky.
Oh yeah.
It's so weird that.
It's first time you see the process of Chaku?
Yes. यो यहाँ चाहिँ उखुको जुस हालिन्छ हो उखुको जुस सक्खर हजुर यो चाहिँ त्यो के अरे त्यो चिनी फ्याक्ट्रीबाट आउँछ हैन उखुबाटै निकालेर डल्लो बनाएर राखेको हुन्छ चिनीबाट आउँछ ए उ त्यस्तो हो हजुर ए okay that is the raw thing and they make it melted in here and त्यसपछि यसलाई चाहिँ यहाँ हालेर पगार्ने हो हजुर अनि पगारे कति समय राख्नुपर्छ नि यो चाहिँ okay in 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour it will be boiled from here अनि यहाँबाट तपाईहरुले यसमा हाल्नुहुन्छ है यसमा हालेर अनि कति समय राख्नुहुन्छ कति हाल्नु 5 मिनेट जम्छ अनि
Oh, it's hot, huh? Yeah, bistaray. It looks like chocolate, but it's not.
Like snow.
Put you on the
So they are doing all year round or especially before?
यो माघे संक्रान्तिको लागि मात्रै हो गर्ने हो कि वर्षैभरि गरिन्छ र गरिदैन नि 3 महिना हो 3 महिना 2 महिना for 2 months.
Okay.
Order आयो भने चाहिँ गरिन्छ.
Smells so good. Oh wow. It's impressive. It's art. It's art. The color is beautiful. Yeah. Oh. Incredible. But yeah, it's physical. It's like golden color. I'm so impressed. So the next level is to do the packaging. Wow. It's yummy and it's beautiful. One of Nepali treasure. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
अब यसपछि चाहिँ सक्यो अब बनाउने हो प्याकिङ गर्ने
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, it was coconut and that's. Oh wow. And that is the final product. धेरै Dandebat, you are amazing. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much.
Okay.
This is very hard.
No, that will become the hard.
But look, this.
Look, like that.
And this one?
Yeah, hard. That will become hard after some time.
So many kind. Now we're gonna eat. You have this.
Very good.
It's different than Yomari.
Yomari is different.
Chaku. Oh, this is good.
If we eat, we're gonna finish.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ekdam mito.
Yeah.
Ekdam sasto. But amazing food. Amazing sweet. It's very good. And the white one is Chaku also.
Yeah. Different
Okay.
kind of chocolate.
Are we gonna eat so much?
Auntie.
Auntie. धेरै धन्यवाद. Subadin. Bye bye. Ekdam mito. And as usual, we come back with a lot of food. Very happy to have seen the process.
Oh, look there.
There. So nice place.